Good day to everyone. Welcome to a new video for SAG600. In this video, we are going to unbox our automatic guidance system called SAG600. It consists of the following components: electric steering wheel, onboard data controller or tablet, GNSS antenna, wheel angle sensor, and connection cables and splices for all its assembly. We will take a closer look at the features of each component for installation. Looking closely at the main components of our SAG600 system, we have its electric steering wheel. It is compatible with front wheel steering, rear wheel steering, and articulated vehicles. It integrates its module and electric motor system, and comes equipped with all the necessary hardware for mounting, as it is compatible with this type of device. In addition, we have its intelligent GNSS antenna. With an integrated 4G module, it receives corrections via in-trip. In addition to this, it has an internal radio module, which allows it to receive corrections via UHF, using its own station, or being compatible with other types of communication protocols. To receive the correction via UHF, it also has Galileo has PPP correction, which comes active, allowing you to use the correction to perform it in the field with easy configuration. It comes with a rugged onboard tablet with field software running on Android, which makes setting up all its components simple. It also comes with its mounting accessories, making assembly very simple. The field software allows configuration of the sensors, all their components, the integration of each of them, and additionally allows various configurations in which we can make field configurations of the type of tractor, where we can put the offsets, the measurements, or where the antenna will be located. The antenna includes operating instructions, and the wheel sensor is usually located at the front to make the movements much more synchronized, and everything related to field work much more intuitive. Basically, these are the main components of the SAG600 system, with simple integration, easy use, full compatibility, and ready for field use with no extra configuration, letting you operate with ease and achieve far greater efficiency in the field. That's all for today's introduction. Stay tuned for more updates.